Okay, check this out. Me with the new haircut. Oh yeah. And the new studio. Alright. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour here. This is gonna be the last video about my studio. Which again is a room in the back of my trailer. But we're gonna call this bad boy the studio. Check them out. Black walls, cool posters. Hold on, let's turn on some lights. Oh! Ho, 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 ho! Yeah! Hold on, we got more lights than that. Let's get it. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Up-to-date wiring system. Check that out. Where else can you get wires all across your ceiling? But here, definitely. Oh, the main chair. That's where everything happens. Okay. Me and Tracy worked really hard on this. We appreciate y'all's views. Hopefully I can make a lot more music. Oh, fan. We're in Louisiana, people. Every house has a giant fan in it. Alright. Let's see what else we got here. We got two of my babies there, Skecker and Jackson. Oh, yeah, the 8th string. Or the 7th string, apologize. And my 6th string, Jackson. Sweet. Okay, and check out my window unit. Isn't that not gangster or what? Ha ha! We're not gonna be hot up in this baby. Oh, and refrigerator. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, we have a refrigerator and we got all the guitars and equipment that you can play in there. Oh, let me get that light. Okay. Well, thank you, seazproductions. This is what it looks like now. Hope y'all enjoy my videos. Peace out.